Alright, so this is the self-canceling motorcycle turn signals with a timer and a tilt switch. So you have the signal lights, you have the flash relay, a timer for the flasher, this is the main relay, and then this is the tilt switch. And if this is your signal light switch, it goes on like this. Let's say you're turning left, so you switch it and it's blinking. Now this is set to 45 seconds, it's counting down. If it counts down to 45, then this goes off, no problem, right? But since it's a tilt switch also, it has a tilt switch also. Let's say you're turning left, so you're kind of leaning left, and then if you go straight or go to your right, you lean to your right, it leans like that and it counts 5 seconds, and then it should cancel this off like so. So yeah, that's it. The handlebar switch is still engaged. This is okay because this will still tell you the pilot light that you're switching should still be on, so it would still tell you that you're still engaged. But if you're turning to the left, then you just switch it to the left again or turn it off. It will work like normal. If you need to turn left again, let's say you're from a left turn, you turn left again, so the switch is engaged, so obviously you have to disengage it first by pressing it at the center and then switching it to the left again. So let's try that again. So you're turning left, so you're switching, and then this is counting down from 45, or you can set it to as much as 999 seconds if you want. But if you're running and then you switch again, you lean to your right, then it counts 5 seconds and then it turns off. There you go.